Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope you are doing very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Khaleda Akter, Assistant Teacher of Social Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a B.G.S class, that means Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 3. So dear students, have a look on the board at first. Today's topic is, subject is B.G.S, that means Bangladesh and Global Studies, and topic is chapter 6, reading done. We will do chapter 6 and then we will discuss about a short note today. And our lesson is 12 and SW is 11. So our lesson is 12 and SW is 11. So dear students, I have given my phone number. If you have any need, you can make the use of that number. So let's start the class today. Our topic is chapter 6, improving our social environment. This is the name of the chapter. So if you have a book right now, you can open page number 32 and you will find this chapter named Improving Our Social Environment and the lesson 1. Now we will discuss lesson 1. The name of the lesson 1 is Helping the Family. Helping the family. We all are living in a family, so how can we help the family? We will discuss here. So the first line I am reading, we live in families. Our family may include a father, a mother, brothers and sisters. Some of us may have only one brother or one sister. Some of us have only brother, some of us have only sister. So these are the member of the family: father, mother, brother and sister. It may also include a grandfather, grandmother, uncles, aunts or other relatives. That means some of us may don't have grandfather, grandmother or uncles, aunts, but some of us have grandfather, grandmother, uncles and aunts or other relatives as well. So in a family we love and respect each other. We should also help with work around the home. We should tidy our books, pens and bag ourselves. We should store our clothes neatly. We should help the younger ones not to make a mess. And we should help parents in many different activities. So what did we learn from this chapter? We should tidy our books. That means after reading, we will tidy our books, pens and bags ourselves so that it cannot be messed up. And we should store our clothes neatly. We need to take care of our clothes also. We should help the younger ones not to make a mess. If we have a younger brother or sister, we should help the younger one not to make a mess. And we should help parents in many different activities. As we know, in our families we have lots of activities, so we will help them so that they can make them easily. Okay, now go to page number 33 and we will discuss section D. Okay, take the right answer. What should we all do in our families? There are 4 options. Dear students, I am reading this once. What should we all do in our families? There are 4 options. Help each other with work, do our work according to our will, roaming around with joy, everyone will act as they wish. So the answer will be help each other with work. As we have learned from this chapter lesson that we need to help the family, so we will help each other with work. And now go to the next page, page number 34, lesson 2. Page number 34, lesson 2, helping at home. Helping at home. We can do lots of work around the home. We need to keep the house clean. So we need to keep the house clean. We need to fetch and carry food and water and lay them table. So we can help them, as now this is Ramadan going on and there are lots of works in the time of iftar, so we can help with that. We can fetch and carry food and water and lay them on the table. We should help in cleaning dirty places. We can help them to clean the dirty places. We may need to help outside with plants and watering. If we have plants, we can help them, we can wash them and we can plant them and water them. So we help each other in household works to build a happy family. So this is the learning from this lesson. Now come to the chapter 35. come to the chapter 35. Here is a section. Now here, tick the right answer. Helping in the home is a hobby, a joy, trouble or duty. What do you think? Do we enjoy the works, or do we think it is our duty? We obviously enjoy the work, but more than that, this is a duty for us. Everybody should do the work as a duty. Okay, this is mandatory for us to help each other. And now come to the page number 36. In page number 36, there is a lesson helping at school. All the students, as I am discussing about class 3, so you are the students and you all are the students of a school. That means I am talking about your school. So in school, how can you help each other? The lesson is about helping at school. Okay, so this is the portion. We go to school to learn and play. In your school, you come to learn and play. But just as in a family, we can also help at school. School is also a part of family, so we can also help each other in the school also. In the classroom, we can help arrange the chairs and tables neatly. Sometimes the chairs and tables messed up, so we can help arrange the chairs and tables. We can help keep the board clean, so we can help keep the board clean. We should not throw litter in the classroom. Litter means trash, that means dirty things. Okay. So we should not throw this in the classroom. Outside the classroom, we should help to keep the playground clean. So outside the classroom, we should help to keep the playground clean. We could grow flowers and look after those. So we can grow flowers and look after also about that. So we should help our teacher by being attentive in class. We should not make noises inside the classroom. We should behave well at school functions. So whenever, right now we are doing our live classes through Google Meet. So whenever you are in the class, you should not make noises. You should be attentive in the class so that your teacher can be properly do your classes. Okay. So in the section 4, here are some options which should be discussed. There are many ideas in the text for participating in development works at school. With the help of the teacher, group them under 3 headings. In the classroom, outside classroom, during lessons. So what will you do in the classroom? In the classroom, we learn that we can arrange the chairs and tables. So you can write arrange the chairs and tables. So in the classroom, this is your duty. And outside the classroom, we can clean the playground. Okay. Outside the classroom, we can clean the playground, and during the class, we should be attentive. Okay. So this is the mandatory works for you, so that your teacher can be helpful, your school can be clean, and your classroom can be neat and clean. So this is the activities you can follow. And in number B, in pairs, decide what are the 4 most important ways of developing your school. Write a list. So you, dear students, you think by yourself and you will write down what are the most important ways of developing your school. What do you think? So you will make a list at your home and you can write it down, and you can show it to your mother or father, so that it is good or not, it is okay or not. Okay. And this is the thing about this chapter, improving our social environment. So dear students, this was about your chapter, which is about how can we improve our social environment. Actually, if we make if we make our home clean and proper, if we help our family, if we help our teacher, and if we do our duties properly, our environment can be improved and we can live a happy life. So now come to the next point. Today we will discuss about a short note which is about environment pollution. Okay. This is for class 3. Sorry, it is a typing mistake. Environment pollution. This is a short note and you have to memorize all the short note, and it will be your SW for your upcoming week. All the things surrounding us make our environment, but the environment is being polluted day by day. There are air pollution, water pollution, sound pollution, rubbish pollution in our environment. People polluted environment in various ways. Air is polluted by the smoke of industry, mill, factory and vehicle. Water is polluted by the industrial waste. So water is polluted by industrial waste, garbage, dumping of oil and insanitary latrines. Environment pollution is a great threat for us, so we should take actions to save our environment. I am reading this again and you will memorize. You will have to memorize this and you will pick up the short note and write it down as a SW. All the things surrounding us make our environment, but the environment is being polluted day by day. There are air pollution, water pollution, sound pollution, rubbish pollution in our environment. People polluted environment in various ways. Air is polluted by the smoke of industry, mill, factory and vehicle. Water is polluted by the industrial waste, garbage, dumping of oil and insanitary latrines. Environment pollution is a great threat for us, so we should take actions to save our environment. So dear students, hope you have understood today's topic. Don't forget to memorize the short note and do your SW and submit your SW in the next Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. So I have written here SW number 11. This is the SW number 11 and the SW is short note. Okay dear students, read carefully and see you to the next class. Assalamualaikum, Allah Hafiz.